Welcome back. In this class, we are going to learn how to evaluate -1 to the square root of pi. Okay, to evaluate -1 to the square root of pi, let us rewrite -1 to the square root of pi in a more meaningful form. Don't forget that e to the power of I pi plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so that means e to the power of I pi equals to -1. Okay, so that means that I can replace -1 as e to the power of I pi. Do you understand? So that means if I have -1 to the power of square root of pi will be equals to, now instead of -1, I'm going to replace this as e to the power of I pi. Do you understand? So I'm going to have e to the power of I pi raised to the power of the square root of pi. Do you understand? Okay, according to this rule, if you have a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c, this will be equals to a raised to the power of bc, right? That is, we're going to take the product of this and this. So that means if I have e to the power of I pi raised to the power of square root of pi, I'm going to have e raised to the power of I pi multiplied by the square root of pi. Do you understand? Okay, now listen to me carefully. Square root of pi, sorry, square root of pi. Pi raised to the power of 1 multiplied by the square root of pi. Pi raised to the power of 1 multiplied by pi raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? Now, according to this law, a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c, this will be equals to a raised to the power of b plus c. So for this, I'm going to have pi raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have pi raised to the power of 3 all over 2. So for this, I'm going to have e to the power of I pi raised to the power of 3 all over 2. Do you understand? Okay, now listen to me. Recall that if you have e to the power of I theta, this can be written as cos theta plus I sine theta, right? Okay, so now we are having e to the power of I pi to the power of 3 over 2. This will be equals to, hello, cos pi to the power of 3 over 2 plus I sine pi to the power of 3 over 2. Do you understand? So the real part of this is this. This is the real part. This is the real part. And this is the imaginary part. This concept is from complex number. You understand? Imaginary part. Okay, this concept is from complex number. And if you want to learn more on complex number, you can check the link in the description of this video or check the first comment. Do you understand? Click on that link to watch the class that I did on complex number. Okay, so that is the solution to this evaluation. This evaluation of this will give us cos pi to the power of 3 over 2 plus I sine pi to the power of 3 over 2. I hope you've learned something. If you enjoyed the class, kindly click on the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, drop comments, drop your own review in the comment section, okay? And if you have any question as touching what I discussed here, let me know in the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.